Welcome back in. After a stormy start to the weekend, tranquil weather and a nice sunny evening, 82 degrees, turning a bit cooler and less humid. Seeing a few fair weather cumulus clouds behind a cold front that is going to give us a break from the heat and humidity. Right now, most of northern Ohio and southern Michigan high and dry. There are a few isolated pop-up showers down towards Crawford County and Huron County, barely going to wet the pavement, and most areas staying totally dry. A couple little lake effect showers out towards far eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania with that northwest flow off of Lake Erie. But the main event, the storms that we got last night, those have now moved off towards the Atlantic seaboard with severe weather impacting some of those east coast cities. Now, last night's storms likely did produce an EF0 tornado. The storm survey results will be released likely on Sunday. You're looking to the north of Hicksville. This is in western Defiance County shortly after 3 o'clock in the morning late last night. Here's some of the roads that may have been impacted. Buckskin Road runs west to east there, and Casebeer Miller Road north to south. It is likely that at the intersection of those roads, that is where the twister touched down, and we were live on air right here, keeping you safe before and during that storm. Here's what radar looked like yesterday. Quite a different sight from what we're seeing right now as a powerful line of thunderstorms raced in from the west. Again, details pending that survey that'll be announced Sunday or Monday. Those are some of the roads where the storm likely touched down a twister, and wind speeds around 80 miles an hour at EF0, but still packing a punch with some strong wind gusts. That WTOL 11 weather app, that is also a very handy tool to have both during severe weather and on calmer days as well. It has our exclusive hour-by-hour forecast showing you temperatures dropping down to the 60s overnight tonight, and that is a sign of a more refreshing day tomorrow. You can look at that hour-by-hour forecast turning cooler tonight. There is the chance we get a little bit of patchy fog. Low temperatures when you wake up are going to be around 61 degrees, and Sunday is finally going to turn less humid. Those of you wanting a more refreshing feel, you get your wish tomorrow. Brilliant sunshine, temperatures in the low 80s, and still a few of those fair weather clouds. Planning out your day, going for that morning walk, it'll be in the mid 60s. 10 a.m. church services 72, lunchtime it'll be 75, and into the afternoon mainly sunny conditions with temperatures hovering right around 80. Now, if you like it even cooler, look at these overnight lows to start off the work week. Monday morning, we're going to be in the 50s to greet you out the door. A bit of a crisp setting to start off the month of August. Turning less humid as we start to roll into the new month. You'll see lots of high temperatures in the low 80s and plenty of sunshine. A good chance to dry out those farm fields and soil after all of the inundating rainfall we've experienced recently. Now, when we look at some of the long-range outlooks and computer models, I'm seeing signs that we're going to be cooler than average through early to mid-August. That blue color that you see across the Great Lakes, northeast, and even into the northern plains stretching out towards the Dakotas. That shows you temperatures below average. Meanwhile, the south still going to be above average in the temperature department. You'll see that beautiful late July and August weather turning less humid Sunday into Monday. And look at some of those overnight lows dipping down to the upper 50s. Next storm chance is going to be Thursday. Thursday and Friday are going to be a little warmer and muggier, but heading towards next weekend, we get another nice drop in temperatures with plenty of sunshine to look forward to.